Hey guys, what's up, Redactions here, and welcome back to this brand new karting video. This time is going to be a short one, only a hot lap of kart circuit Pottendijk Emmen, which is where I went testing yesterday. The layout is fun, but the track is so ridiculously bumpy, it is a real kart killer. Anyways, enjoy the hot lap.